Welcome back. First thing first, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Hello! Now a riddle to test your brain power. Answer this as soon as possible in comment box. Can you guess this animal? You have enough time to think. Now let's start making. Today we are going to make super easy heart ring with paper. So let's start. For this, we have to take a rectangle size paper and the size is approximately 4.5 by 1.5 inch. First, take size of your finger with paper, or you can take help of any thread. Here I am doing this with paper only. Press the paper and mark it for size. Make a line for band. It will be more convenient for you. Cut the paper in the shape of capital I. Now, most important step. We have to cut the corner half like this. Be very careful. Rotate and fix with another end. Now cut and equal the both ends of the paper. Like this. Now cut the paper in shape of half heart or petal. You can use the template also, which we used in our earlier videos. I will provide you the link in description box. You can check it there. With this idea, you can make any cute paper ring. If you are making this, send me the picture via mail, which in the description box again. Your sweet little heart ring is ready. Thanks for watching. Before saying bye, I will give you the answer and ta-da! This is your answer. Bye-bye.